Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here and ready for another awesome video. Today we've got some exciting things to explore together, and I promise it's going to be worth your time. So sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the good stuff. Let's get started. Car denting and painting is an essential part of vehicle maintenance and restoration. Whether caused by accidents, aging, environmental factors, or simple wear and tear, cars often sustain damage that impacts their appearance and structural integrity. Denting and painting services not only restore a car's original condition, but also enhance its durability, resale value, and overall functionality. This process involves precision, modern tools, and skilled craftsmanship, making it a blend of technical expertise and artistic skill. The importance of denting and painting. The need for denting and painting goes beyond mere aesthetics. It serves as a protective measure to safeguard the car's body against further damage while maintaining its structural integrity. Here's why denting and painting are indispensable. 1. Restoration of appearance. Dents, scratches, and faded paint can make even a high-end vehicle look old and unattractive. Denting and painting restore its original shine and form. 2. Protection against corrosion. Exposed metal surfaces caused by dents or scratches are highly susceptible to rust. Proper repair and repainting seal the surface, preventing corrosion. 3. Enhanced resale value. A well-maintained car fetches a higher price in the used car market. Buyers are more likely to invest in a car that looks visually appealing and damage-free. 4. Durability. A fresh coat of paint protects the vehicle from environmental damage such as UV rays, rain, dust, and pollution, ensuring it lasts longer. 5. Psychological satisfaction. Driving a car that looks and feels new boosts the owner's confidence and pride in their vehicle. What is denting? Denting refers to repairing damages to a car's metal body, such as dents, creases, or warped panels, caused by collisions, impacts, or accidents. Denting restores the car's body to its original shape without compromising the structure or integrity of the metal. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. It really helps the channel and means a lot. Types of dents. 1. Minor dents. Small, shallow dents caused by minor impacts like hail or door dings. These can often be repaired using paintless dent removal PDR. 2. Medium dents. Deeper dents that may affect the underlying structure but are still repairable without panel replacement. 3. Severe dents. Large, deep dents caused by significant collisions. These often require extensive repair or replacement of the damaged panel. Denting techniques. 1. Paintless dent repair, PDR. Used for minor dents where the paint is not damaged. Specialized tools are used to massage the dented metal back into shape without repainting. This technique is faster, cost-effective, and maintains the original paint. 2. Traditional dent repair. Used for medium to severe dents where paint damage has occurred. The dented area is filled, reshaped, and repainted to restore the original appearance. 3. Panel replacement. For extensive damage where the metal is irreparable, the damaged panel is replaced with a new one. This ensures safety and structural strength. What is painting? Car painting involves applying a fresh coat of paint to enhance the car's appearance and protect its body from external elements. Over time, paint can fade, peel, or develop scratches due to sun exposure, rain, and other factors. Painting restores the car's finish and creates a durable protective layer. Types of paint finishes. 1. Solid paint. A single color, no frills paint finish that is durable and cost-effective. 2. Metallic paint. Contains metallic flakes that create a shiny, reflective appearance, commonly used in modern cars. 3. Pearlescent paint. Uses ceramic crystals for a richer, more vibrant finish with a slight color shifting effect. 4. Matte finish. A non-reflective, flat finish that provides a unique and contemporary look. The painting process, a step-by-step guide. 1. Preparation and cleaning. The car is cleaned thoroughly to remove dirt, grease, and debris. The damaged area is sanded to remove old paint and prepare a smooth base. 2. Priming the surface. A primer coat is applied to ensure the paint adheres properly and to prevent rust. This layer also acts as a foundation for the color coat. 3. Paint application. The paint is applied in multiple thin layers using advanced spray guns to ensure uniform coverage. Between coats, the paint is allowed to dry to prevent bubbling or unevenness. 4. Clear coat application. A transparent protective layer is applied over the paint to seal it. This layer protects the paint from UV rays, scratches, and fading. 5. Polishing and buffing. The final step involves polishing the surface to enhance the shine and remove any imperfections. Materials used in denting and painting. Filler compounds, used to fill deep dents and smooth out the surface. Primers, create a bonding layer between the metal and paint while preventing rust. Automotive paints, high-quality paints ensure durability and vibrant color. Clear coats, provide a glossy finish and protect the paint from environmental damage. Benefits of professional denting and painting services. 1. Precision and quality. Skilled technicians use advanced tools to ensure flawless results. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. It really helps the channel and means a lot. 2. Time efficiency. Professional workshops complete repairs faster without compromising on quality. 3. Durable results. High-quality materials and modern techniques ensure long-lasting repairs. 4. Warranty. Reputable workshops often provide warranties for their services, ensuring peace of mind. 5. Customization. Customers can choose from a wide range of colors and finishes to personalize their vehicle. Common mistakes in DIY denting and painting. Uneven paint application, resulting in blotchy or patchy finishes. Incorrect color matching, leading to mismatched shades. Lack of proper tools, causing further damage to the car's body. Skipping the application of primer or clear coat, reducing the durability of the paint. Failing to treat underlying rust before painting, which can worsen the damage over time. The importance of choosing a reliable workshop. When it comes to denting and painting, not all service providers deliver the same quality of work. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing a reliable workshop. 1. Experience. Look for workshops with a proven track record and skilled technicians. 2. Technology. Modern tools and equipment ensure precision, efficiency, and high-quality results. 3. Material quality. High-quality paints, primers, and fillers are essential for long-lasting and professional finishes. 4. Customer reviews. Positive reviews and testimonials are a clear indication of the reliability and quality of service provided by the workshop. Feedback from previous customers helps ensure you're choosing a reputable service provider who delivers consistent and excellent results. Conclusion. Car denting and painting go beyond simple cosmetic repairs. It's a valuable investment in the longevity, safety, and overall worth of your vehicle. Whether you're repairing accident damage, restoring an older car, or enhancing its appearance, professional denting and painting services guarantee that your vehicle not only looks great, but also remains safeguarded against further damage. Always select a trusted workshop with experienced technicians and advanced tools to ensure long-lasting and flawless results. Remember, your car is a reflection of your personality and care. Treat it with the attention and respect it deserves. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. It really helps the channel and means a lot. Keeping your car safe requires detailed measures to protect it from theft, damage, and wear and tear, while also ensuring its longevity. Below is a comprehensive guide to help you safeguard your vehicle effectively. Hack 1. Protecting your car from theft. Theft prevention is crucial to keep your car safe. Here are detailed steps you can take. 1. Choose a safe parking spot. Always park your car in well-lit and secure areas, especially at night. If possible, use a locked garage for parking. Avoid leaving your car in isolated or unsecured places without CCTV coverage. Park your car in locations where it is easily visible to you or others. 1.2. Install security devices. Steering wheel lock, an inexpensive but effective tool to deter theft. Gear lock adds an additional layer of protection, making theft difficult. Car alarm system alerts you and others if there's unauthorized access. GPS tracker helps in tracking your car if it is stolen. 1.3. Avoid leaving valuables in the car. Do not leave laptops, mobile phones, money, or other valuables in plain sight. Hide valuables in the trunk or under the seats to reduce temptation for thieves. 1.4. Adopt safety habits. Always lock the doors, windows, and sunroof when leaving your car. Never leave the keys inside the car or in an unsecured place. If leaving the car for an extended period, consider disconnecting the battery. Hashtag 2. Protecting your car from damage. 2.1. Prevent environmental damage. Use a car cover. Protects the car from dust, rain, sun, and bird droppings when parked outside. Avoid parking under trees. Falling branches and bird droppings can damage the car's surface. Wax your car regularly. Provides a protective layer against UV rays and environmental elements. 2.2. Drive safely. Always follow traffic rules and maintain a safe speed to avoid accidents. Drive carefully on rough or broken roads to prevent damage to the suspension and tires. Regularly check headlights, brake lights, and indicators to avoid collisions in low visibility. 2.3. Take measures against accidents. Install dash cameras. These provide evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Consider installing rear view cameras and parking sensors to avoid damage while parking or reversing. Check the condition of tires and brakes regularly to ensure they are in good working order. Nav 3. Regular maintenance of your car. Regular maintenance ensures your car runs smoothly and prevents costly repairs. Here's how you can maintain your car effectively. 3.1. Routine maintenance. Schedule regular servicing. Take your car to a trusted mechanic for regular checkups to address minor issues before they escalate. Change engine oil. Regularly replace engine oil as per the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure smooth engine performance. Inspect fluids. Frequently check and refill essential fluids such as coolant, brake oil, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Monitor battery health. Check your car's battery terminals for corrosion and ensure it holds a proper charge. Clean air filters. Replace air filters periodically to maintain optimal fuel efficiency and engine performance. 3.2. Seasonal maintenance. Air conditioning and heating. Test your air conditioning system before summer and your heater before winter to ensure comfort during extreme weather. Wiper blades. Replace wiper blades during the rainy season for clear visibility in wet conditions. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and adjust it as required for better fuel efficiency and safety. Inspect tires for wear and tear and replace them if necessary. 4. Insurance and legal protection. 4.1. Comprehensive insurance policy. Purchase the right policy. Opt for a policy that covers theft, accidents, third-party liability, and natural calamities. Enhance your coverage. Consider additional features like zero depreciation cover, which provides a full claim amount without accounting for the depreciation of parts, or roadside assistance for emergencies. 4.2. Keep legal documents updated. Carry essential papers. Always have your car's registration certificate, insurance papers, pollution under control (PUC) certificate, and a valid driver's license in the car. Renew documents on time. Ensure all documents are up to date to avoid fines or legal complications. For commercial vehicles, ensure you have a valid fitness certificate. 5. Preparing for emergencies. 5.1. Keep an emergency kit. Always have the following items in your car to handle unexpected situations. First aid supplies, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Flashlight, a reliable flashlight with extra batteries. Jumper cables, to restart your car if the battery dies. Basic toolkit, screwdrivers, pliers, and a wrench for minor repairs. Spare tire and tools. Ensure you have a jack, lug wrench, and spare tire in good condition. 5. Save important contacts. Mechanics and towing services. Keep contact details of nearby mechanics and towing services for quick assistance. Insurance helpline. Have your insurance provider's helpline number saved for immediate claim support. Pre-trip inspection. Before long journeys, have your car inspected to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Conclusion. By adhering to these maintenance practices, insurance guidelines, and emergency preparations, you can keep your car in excellent condition while ensuring your safety on the road. These proactive steps help prevent theft, damage, and mechanical failures, offering peace of mind and prolonging the life of your vehicle. If you need more information on any specific area, feel free to ask. The frequency of changing your car's oil depends on several factors, including the type of oil used, your car model, and your driving habits. Here's a guide to help you know when to change your car's oil. 1. General recommendations. For conventional oil, change the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, 4,800 to 8,000 kilometers, or every 3 to 6 months, whichever comes first. For synthetic oil, change the oil every 7,500 to 10,000 miles, 12,000 to 16,000 kilometers, or every 6 to 12 months, depending on the manufacturer's guidelines. 2. Factors affecting oil change frequency. Driving conditions. Severe driving conditions. Change oil more frequently if you drive in heavy traffic with frequent idling, make short trips where the engine doesn't reach optimal temperature, drive in extreme weather, very hot or cold conditions, frequently drive on dusty, muddy, or uneven terrain. Normal driving conditions. Follow the intervals recommended in your car's owner's manual. Vehicle type and age. Older cars often require more frequent oil changes, especially if they use conventional oil. Modern vehicles with advanced engines and synthetic oil may have longer intervals between oil changes. Oil quality. High-quality synthetic oils last longer than conventional oils and provide better engine protection, especially under extreme conditions. Mileage and usage. If you drive long distances regularly, you may need oil changes less frequently. For low-mileage drivers, change the oil at least once a year, even if you haven't reached the recommended mileage. 3. How to know it's time to change oil. Dashboard warning light. If the oil change or check engine light turns on, it's time to check the oil. Dirty or dark oil. Check the oil on the dipstick. If it's dark or gritty, it needs changing. Engine noise or performance issues. Old oil may cause the engine to become noisier or less efficient. Burnt oil smell. A strong oil smell inside the car may indicate it's time for a change. Refer to the owner's manual. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations in your car's owner's manual. It provides specific intervals for oil changes based on your car model and driving conditions. By monitoring your oil condition and following your car's recommended maintenance schedule, you can keep your engine running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.